Hi everyone and welcome back to another diamond painting unboxing, and today we have, fingers crossed, a flat stainless steel, I've said it wrong again, a stained glass even, because Dawn O'Gillespie brought me up on keep saying stainless steel. So I'll try and get it right this time. It's stained glass, something like that. Wasp. Now in here I've got Wasp. It looks like they've improved their packaging from last time, so fingers crossed we do have a flat stainless glass brilliant painting, and I'm really hopeful that it is, because that would just be my first ever one. I just could not, I had to send the bag, the bag, oh my god, I had to send the bee back because it was just too damaged. But in here we have three things, one of which is a diamond paint and the other two things aren't, so yeah, we'll have to oh, it's one of them ones that have been, yeah, I reckon this is a winner chicken dinner here, guys. This one's been double bagged by the looks of it, so I've opened this up really badly. Oh man, so let's try making a hole in this, and right. So the first thing I got is another thing for my sister. So in here's a bit of one that's got a bit of everything. Now my sister does a lot of you know, the nail art, polish, varnish and all that palaver, but you know where they put like designs on your nail. Well, Christmas is coming up, and I thought, well, I'll get her these for Christmas. And what they are is, I think they're just little transferable kits that you can put peel it off and you put it onto your nail of your hand. So I thought that would be really nice. Obviously she's always using red nail varnish, blue, you know, all sorts of different nail varnish. So I thought that would be really nice for just like as a silly little thing for Christmas. Not a main present, but obviously Christmas is coming up. I've got to start thinking of Christmas ideas for her. So I thought I'd get her them. As far as I know, she doesn't watch my channel, but my dad does, and so does my brother. So hopefully they won't tell her what it is, because that would be devastating. But yeah, I don't know if she'll like them, but I thought I'd give it a go. They've got like trees and little deers on here, all sorts of lovely ones in here. Little Christmas tree there, and let it snow. So yeah, I thought give it a go. I think that's probably a fox or a weasel. See what she thinks, and if she doesn't like it, she doesn't like it. But I only paid 7p for this. I know, crazy, right? So the next thing I got was one of these. I love my pens, okay? So I had to get this. This was 24p, and I've got another one like this. So I had to get this. It's a little bunny, the other one, and it will go with my green one, because I got a Christmas one, didn't I? But this is a very interesting pen. It's one of them ones where you've got like all the different colours on it, but I thought what was rather groovy about it, normally with these type of pens, if I could just find it, I don't know if I've got, yeah, hold on a minute. Oh no, man. Oh. Normally if you look at my Christmas one here, you can see that it's normally covered up. What I liked about this pen is the fact that she works in a nursery, so she's always doing like their reports and how well they're doing in the parents' evening and thing, because she has to do like parents' evening every now and then. And what I liked about this is the fact that you can see each pen and how it operates. So for example, if we push down the red one, you can see that only that comes through. And I reckon, yeah, you might push that, no? Or you don't push that. So, oh right, there's a stopper here, so then you would go like that, I think. No? That's interesting. So, how do you get it to, how do you get it to go back up then? No. Oh, I see. So what you do is you pull it down. For example, if we get a yellow one, we pull that down there. It locks in, and then what you do is you pull it back. No, I see what's happening. Right. So what you do is, cool, this will take a bit of time of getting used to, but it looks as if I can see like a little hole there or something. So I'm assuming that you put that down and then... Oh, right. I get it now. So what you do is, say like you want the blue pen, you pull that down, and then to release it, you get another colour, and it pushes it up the shaft. So as you can see, for example, let's get the black down, and then if I wanted, say, oh, I don't know, I want red now, then I push the red, and that releases the red one. So yeah, I thought for 24p, that's brilliant. And I just find these pens really groovy in the fact that there's all them different inks, and you can just get one pen out of it. It feels really nice. Let's get a piece of some of my stickers. Let's get, you shouldn't really write in red, because apparently if you write in red it's rude. So apparently it's supposed to be rude if you write in red. So what I'll do is I'll write in black, and I'll put, hello, my name is Mike, and then smiley face, Merry Christmas. And then, for example, if I wanted, I don't know, let's have a look. I don't think we've got a green, have we? I'm sure there was a green, yeah, that one. Well, it's mainly yellowy green, but... And then I could put, like, a little... This is my very terrible drawing of a Christmas tree. And then a little bauble there. Little star. And, yeah, as you can see. So, yeah, I quite like that pen. It's lovely and sturdy. Because with this one here, you pull that down and then you push that, and that releases it. So, for example, as you see, you pull that down, push that, it releases it. But yeah, I really like that. For 24p, that's really nice, thick to write with. So that's really good. Now for the exciting part. Because I only got 3 in this consignment. And look at that. Oh, yes. Thank you, Temu. Yes. So I've been wanting a stained glass for so long, and everyone I've had so far has screwed up. The bee was devastating seeing that in that condition, so I had to send that back. But yes, and I actually tagged them in that video. I put the, you know where you can put like at Temu or at Lazy Retired Granny. I actually tagged them, so maybe they've actually improved it. But look, yes! Oh, so happy. Yes, thank you. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Very, very happy now. I cannot tell you how long I've wanted to do a stained glass one. But look at that. Isn't that lovely? Hang on a minute. I've always wanted to do a wasp, and look. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now, I don't know about you, but I got the stained glass vibe here, but it looks as if it's like a honeycomb effect, because obviously wasps and bees do honey. But as I said, what I'm tempted to do, as I said, it didn't really show this part going around the edge, but maybe that's an oversight my part. But what I'm going to do is, once I've drilled it, I'm not going to keep this backing on around the edge. I'm going to cut that off. So cut all round here off. I'll make sure to seal it first. And then I'm going to stick that circle on the wall. And yeah, I think it would look much nicer with this white border going around it. But oh man, I'm so happy it's come out really nice. And you've got like the little veins. And that's really nice, because once you drill all them in, you've got like the little veins going through, so that will really bring it out. But we've got 17 colours here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really happy. So what I'll do is I'll order another one of the bee and just hope that it comes in that condition again. And let's take a look at the drills. Apologies if it's a bit dark. We have got forecast over here. It's very horrible weather outside at the moment, so probably two packs of 3865 there. We have ourselves some purple. Oh. We have a purple, a green, we've got a brown, a peachy sort of colour, a yellow, mango sort of colour, diarrhea if you like. I'm sorry, but that's what it reminds me of looking at that. But then it's like a honeycomb, isn't it? We've got a dark teal sort of colour, a royal blue there, baby blue, a little lighter blue, a vibrant yellow, classic vibrant of the wasps, sandy beach, a pink, a blue, a grey, and another grey. And obviously this one, I get to save a bit of postage because there's no bags, Tessa, so unfortunately you can't have any. Yes, and 50p saved to me. Well, I think a stamp these days, even have 60 something, but I think what I'd like to do as well is get another one of these, but with a wasp that's just yellow and black, and really get that vibrant colour. But I'm so happy. I mean, although it's like, you know, rolled up, that's fine with me. I don't mind that. It's the fact that when they bend it is what I don't like. But this is fantastic. It's the 30 times 30. And oh man, I can't wait to get into this, especially this dark blue going around here. And I do have to thank Debbie Gets Crafty, because she was one of the ones that sort of made me want to do a stained glass. She's done quite a lovely few sets of stained glass ones, and she sort of works in little sections around the edge. So yeah, I can't wait to do that. And again, it's another animal, but it's an insect this time. So I think you've got like the little eyes as well, because wasps have like a semicircular eye. But anyway, let me know what your favourite is. I don't know where I put my sister's Christmas present. Oh no. Oh, it's over here. So yeah, let me know what your favourite is. Is it the Now Art stickers for your nails? I know Pet might like them because she does a lot of her Now Arts. If you look in her videos, she's always got really nice, you know, the bit where they put white on the end of it. She does them. Obviously, this pen was 24p. I'll put all the links in the description. As I said, Temu goes up and down like Amazon do with prices. But yeah, I can't wait to wrap that up for her. But I haven't got no wrapping paper. So when it gets to Christmas sort of time, then I'll get some in. But oh man, I cannot tell you how happy I am. That is really made. It's really made. What's the word for it? Chuffed up, is it? You know, because I've wanted one for so long, stained glass, it's just lovely to finally have one that's actually come in a good condition. So well done, Temu. You've done a good job there. So yeah, until then, please remember to like, share, subscribe. At the time of recording this, we have more flying over as I speak. I'm always on that app. It's very addictive, you know. But until then, take care, have a lovely day, and we'll see you again soon for another Temu unboxing. Catch you later.